Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Yamaha RD 200 two-stroke from the 1970s. Beautiful, beautiful bike all around, and I think in one of the better colours you can get them in this cherry red or dark red, I would say. Overall the bike rides absolutely beautifully. It's only got 11,000 miles from new, and it certainly looks and behaves that way as well. From my eyes anyway, maybe you guys are a little bit more astute, but it's looking extremely original to me the whole way around in terms of its parts, which is very nice to see, but maybe you guys will be able to point out something that isn't. But overall, very straight bike, I would say, and in absolutely immaculate condition. Remember again, this is a 1970s bike. We rarely take in 70s bikes anymore because they seem to be quite hard to deal with at the minute, as well as when we're selling them. Obviously it's a 70s bike and they do have a bit of a knack to them, and they're not maybe as maybe reliable as they were back in the day, but this one is of particular good condition, and so it's why we took it in. We do like these bikes still, but it's just we're very, very particular on what we do take in nowadays from the 70s. So starting at the front then, front tire is good, front mudguard good as well. Could really overbuff that if you wanted to. Shocks here, dust caps are in great condition, no signs of any kind of weeping there. Discs are looking in good condition as well. The alloys then as well, all very nice too. Not overdone also. I'm not sure if they've been redone in the past, but they don't look like they've been done too recently. Again, look at the shocks itself the whole way through, really beautiful condition. Headlights and the indicators all really good as well. Odometers, everything like that. Clocks itself really nice and clear. 11,779 miles. I believe that's an original key as well. Yep, original key with the bike. Everything up here looking good. I don't know if this is original, I'm not sure, probably. As well, all the way through the tank itself, there's a little bit of, as you can see there, but I'm being super fussy. But I know with these type of bikes people want to be super detailed with these all the way through, but as you can see, really nice condition overall. Engine in beautiful condition as well, really nice from top to bottom. There's the dual carbs, rear pegs on it. I believe they would be original exhausts, maybe not, I'm not sure. Could be original aftermarket. Looking good condition. Rear chain guard is present. Chain and sprocket looking good as well. Rear shock looking excellent. No signs of any major rusting or anything like that. Bike is Northern Irish reg at the minute, but we will be registering in Ireland, so that will have an Irish plate, 70s plate when it is sold, and we will update the ad with the official registration as well. Rear tires looking really good as well. Silencer is good. Right hand side of the bike, the seat in very nice condition, and the Yamaha logo at the back also. Right hand side panel, again a little bit of you can see there at the bottom of the tank, it's not gone through though. Probably could just do with a little bit of a touch up to keep that from going any further. Side panel here looking good. Kickstart on the right hand side, and it's an electric start as well. Kickstart and electric start. Engine on this right hand side looking excellent also, and all the way through. So I mean, I've been really fussy with the bike from the 70s, so just keep that in mind. But we're now had a look at it visually. Let's go for a spin on it.
Okay, we're going to start on this Yamaha RD 200. I will admit I did have a little bit of a spin on it, and it was because I had to open the gate, and I wanted to, these 70s bikes, it's been sitting for a week and a half. I thought, okay, I need to fettle with this, get it started, and oh my god, is it sweet. It's just so easy to start on the kickstart. I mean, it's hardly even warm really. And I'll do the kind of indicators and stuff here now because I want to have a good flow of riding it. But it's definitely one of the best. I'll say it now. It's the best RD 200 I've ever ridden. That's for sure. I definitely prefer this kind of square tank versions as well, or rectangular. I should probably say. But yeah, overall, we'll do the old indicators and all of that. Front left indicator working, rear left indicator working, rear right indicator working, front right indicator working. I'll turn on the lights as well. So the front light, and then if I get the high beam as well working. So all the lights, everything like that, all working. Electric start works as well. Kind of a funny electric start. I don't know why I'd even bother because it's so easy to kick. That's probably a little bit more effective as well. And we'll go for a little spin. And you know, with two strikes, they like to be revved a little bit. You know, they like to go through the full rev range. The power is just on a 200 is mad. How light these things are. It's incredible, really. I'm gonna wait for this car to go to Yeti to go past me. Or it's not a Yeti, it's a cognac or whatever they call them. Anyway, I think that's a drink. I mean, really beautiful bike. Rides stunningly. I mean, you could have so much fun on this up the mountains here in Dublin. Only thing around two strokes in around this estate is because you have to rev two strokes. Even if you're doing 40 or 50 kilometers an hour, it sounds like you're doing millions. You're going to kill all their children. Like, that's only 6,000 RPM. This needs to be tightened, this mirror, but that's nothing too serious or sinister. Really beautiful. Such a privilege to ride this bike. Right time as well for this bike to be sold, coming into spring. Some nice weather coming our way. We've had some beautiful days over the last few days here. Today is also not too bad. It's about 13 degrees. Wow, it's just lovely. I can't really do any more than that. The guards will be called. But beautiful, beautiful bike. Really, really lovely. Someone's gonna love this one. It's very, very hard to get an RD 200 in this type of condition. Running like this, as sweet as it is, it's so much easier as well. If you buy a bike from this era like this, it's easy enough to keep if you're okay at maintenance and everything like that. But if you buy something that needs a decent bit of work, sometimes you think, oh, that'll be grand, you know, put 1,000 into it and it'll be just as good as something like this. It just never works. It never works for whatever reason. If a bike has just gone past a certain point, to bring it back is near on impossible. So anyway, if you haven't enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you don't want to reach out about this bike, it's at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.